Yes, Andy, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you unmute? I can't hear you.
Sorry, I wasn't giving her. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, I did not check your homework. So let's see, we'll do that at the end. I'll check it. And we'll continue.
You can hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll start with the...
Just 1 minute, just one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll start with applications, that is the problem sums. So just understand the basic, how you should go about in solving a problem sum or based on quadratic equation. So quadratic equation, this is just a there are the application. It's based on our daily life finding and finding the solutions from the problem. So first, what you have to do is you have to represent the problem using variables, exactly in the same way
Now
how
A
we
or B or alpha and beta?
x and y variables x,
Yeah, X and Y or alpha and beta?
just x or just y, but a
Okay.
single variable. Okay, in
Okay.
so you have to first represent the problem in variable form. After that, you have to use the condition, whatever it is given in the question. It's very much similar to linear equations in two variables. So whatever conditions was given, as per that condition, we had formed the equation. Same way, based on the condition, you have to form the quadratic equation here. And once you have formed the quadratic equation, the last step will be solving that quadratic equation. Okay, so you can use any of the three methods to solve the quadratic equation. You can use factorization method, you can use completing square method, or you can use formula method. Whichever method you find it easy, or whichever method will give you the answer faster, you use that method. So factorization, completing square, or formula. Okay, we'll start with the exercise problem only. That is the first problem of practice set 2.6. This says product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence. Okay, 3 years hence means after 3 years is 84. Okay, product. What do you mean by product?
Multiplying.
Multiplying, yes. So product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years after is 84. You have to find her present age. So we'll say, assume let her present age be X. Okay, so let her present age be X. And now as per the first condition, what will be her age 2 years ago? Can you tell me what will be her age?
2x plus
No,
2x.
current age is X. Now her age is X. 2 years ago, what will be her age?
Minus 2.
Yes, X minus 2.
Or
So,
wait, 2 minus x, right?
yeah, X minus 2. So, suppose if your present age is 16, then 2 years ago, what will be your age?
14.
Yes, so 16 minus 2 you're doing. Present age
Okay, so
minus
x
2.
minus 2.
X minus 2. So, age of Pragati 2 years ago is X minus 2. Now, 3 years hence, that means after 3 years. So if now your age is 16, after 3 years, your age will be 19. So 16 plus 3 you're doing. So similarly, what will be Pragati's age after 3 years? Can you tell me?
After 3 years, so x plus 3.
Yes. So after 3 years, age of Pragati will be X plus 3. So now look at the screen. This is 1 minute. This is with 2 years
Wait, how
ago.
is this a quadratic equation? Because there is no
Yeah,
degree to it.
it will form. It will form. We are not yet done. We have not yet used this condition. This is after 2 years. This is after 2 years. This is, sorry, this is 2 years ago. And this is after 3 years. Now, what is the condition given? Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years after is 84. That means, can you tell me what will be the condition here?
X minus 2 into x plus 3 equals to 84.
Correct. So according to the given
So then
condition,
it
x
become
minus,
x square
yes,
minus
bracket to
6x.
bracket.
6.
No, no, not 6. Okay, you write
Oh,
up to,
okay. So you,
yeah,
no,
say,
I got it. X and then you multiply x to x
yes,
plus 3
yes,
and then
yes,
minus 2 and you multiply it to x plus 3.
yes, yes, correct.
So I'll
So,
do that and then I'll
yeah, yeah.
x square plus x minus 6 equals to 84. Hello?
Yes, x square plus x
Plus
minus.
x minus 6 equals to 84.
Okay, now bring this 84 on the left hand side. Done?
Yeah.
So what do
Yeah.
you get? What is the equation form now? See into your book.
90.
So x square plus x plus
X
90 or
square
minus 90?
plus x minus 90 equals to
Correct.
0.
Correct. Now you have
But
to
how do you find
solve. Now you have to solve this quadratic equation.
that division and all of that?
No, quadratic
That
equation.
factorizations and all?
Any method you can use. No, any
No, I
method.
don't want to do it the factorization
Yeah.
method.
So which method you're comfortable with? Formula?
Com- yeah, formula.
Yeah. So use the formula method.
Like,
Uh, find out A, B, and C. What is A, B, and C?
yeah, and then
Then what is the formula? Formula
that
method.
x
Yes.
and then alpha plus betas
No, no, no,
x
no, 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 no.
into
The formula method. Formula. Wait, I'll write it. First you write A, B, and C. Okay, what are all these? Then formula is minus B plus minus under root of B
b
square
square minus 4ac upon 2a.
upon 2A. You can use this or you can do factorization also.
I'm
According
trying
to
to
me,
avoid factorization because I do not know the division, like the factors of all the numbers. So instead of going wrong there, I'll do more work.
but according to me, factorization will give you the answer faster. Both
Yes,
the
but then
method.
I don't know the factors, right? So I'll go wrong. So instead of going wrong, I'll do more work
Yeah.
instead of finally getting the answer wrong.
Yes, yes, yes. So A is 1, B is 1, C is minus 90. Yes, are you getting the answer?
Yeah. I'm just getting the answer as -1 plus root 361. So I don't know what root that is. I'm just finding the root of 361. But I don't think it is a root of anything. So that is why I was finding it out. Hello?
Yes, yes, I'm listening.
So root 36 is not anything for root.
Let me check your
Is it?
calculator. Can you show me your calculation? Can you show me your calculation?
Hello?
Yes, yes. Wait, I'm seeing. Okay. Yeah, it's correct up to here, but you will have to find out the square root of 361. It is, it is. Try prime factorization method. It's correct. What you've done is correct. Only you have to now reduce 361. You have to find square root of 361.
80, no, 90?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Correct.
90.
90.
So now what do I do then?
So you'll have
Okay,
my
okay, found it.
hmm,
Then I'll have, from here, I'll have -1 minus 19 upon 2, or -1 plus 19 upon 2. So minus minus will be plus, so 20 upon 2,
hmm,
which equals to 10.
yeah, minus 10.
Or what?
Minus 10. Minus 10. There's a minus sign.
Yeah, -10. Sorry. Minus
And
10. And then I have plus minus, that is minus. So 18 upon 2,
2.
which is
9.
9.
Correct.
So x equals to -10 or 9
Yes.
and 9, because
Yes.
it's a this,
Minus 10 and
and
9.
and
Okay.
9.
Okay. So x is minus 10 and 9. Now, what is x? What is x? What we had assumed x to be? The first line,
What?
can you see? What is x? What is x?
Pragati's age.
Yes, age. So can age be negative?
No, it'll be
No.
positive only. So that is
Yes.
why 9
So
years.
yes. So age cannot be negative. So you
I
discard
already
x.
wrote that down. No problem to do it all over again.
Okay. So x is equal to 9. So you make your final statement also, right? Pragati's present age is 9 years. I think you
Done,
wrote it.
done.
Done. No? Okay. So let's move to the second one now. 2.6, second one. Sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers. Consecutive means that comes one after the other. So for example, 1, 2. 1, 2 are consecutive. That means they come immediately one after the other. So
Yes.
sum of squares of two consecutive even natural number is 244. You have to find the numbers. Okay. So I'll give you a hint for the start. So what you say, let the first number or let the first even natural number be x. So if the first number is x, what will be the number after x? Any idea? If first number is x, what is the number after x?
After x, y
No,
or
number.
1.
Okay, wait, I'll give
See,
you an example. If first number is 2, what will be the number after 2?
3.
3. So note that
Yeah, but then
this 3, you can write it as 2 plus 1. That means previous number.
okay, so then the next number from 1 would be x plus 1.
Yes, correct. So if the first number is x, then the number after x, next consecutive number will be okay. Immediately next number will be x, but they have asked even. Okay, even number. So if I say 2, after 2, which is the next even number? Yes, after 2, which is the immediate next even number?
2 plus 1.
Even number, I said. Even. After 2, which is
So
the
then
even?
2 plus 2, so 4.
Yes, 2 plus 2. Yeah, 4. So since they are asking even number, so the first
No,
even
no,
number
2
is
plus
x.
4.
Oh, sorry, 2 plus
Not
2
2
it has.
plus 4.
Yeah, 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. So if the first even number is x, which will be the even number after x?
X plus 2.
Yes, x plus 2. So that is written. So if the first even natural number is x, the next consecutive even natural number will be x plus 2. Now they are saying the sum of squares of both these numbers is 244. Okay, sum of squares. That means you have to take square it and then add it. That is 244. Can you tell me what is the condition, how to write it?
Um, so the x plus 2 equals to 244.
Sum of squares of both these numbers is 244.
So x square plus 2 square equals to
No, no,
244.
no. This is one number and this is one number. Square both and
So
add.
x square plus x plus 2 whole
Whole
bracket
bracket.
square
Yes, yes, correct.
equals to 244.
Correct. So according to the given condition, x square
But then
plus,
won't it also become x square plus x square? So then x 4.
no, no,
So how is it quadratic?
no. Here you will have to, this is the whole bracket square it is. So you will have to use the
A
formula.
plus b whole bracket square.
Yes. Can you continue from here?
Like that.
Can you continue the sum from here?
Yes, I'll just write it down till then.
Yeah, yeah.
भाई माझी गरज लागेल अरे भाई खरं माझं ऐक बाबा ए भाई वॅक्सिन घेतली ये नाही तर रात्री त्रास होणार मला घेतलं नाही तर भाई लवकर ये नाही घेतलं जा वॅक्सिन घेतलीस ना हा आज दुखतंय ये लवकर ये अंग दुखतंय हा बॉडी पेन होत
x square plus 4x plus 4 equals to 244.
Okay, next.
Then then you take 4 on the other side.
No, take 244 on this side.
Okay, you take 244 on this side.
Yes, and
So
also add this x square plus x square. What will happen?
x4,
No,
x raised to 4.
no. You're adding, you're not multiplying. You're adding
2x square?
2x square. 2x square. So you'll have 2x square plus 4x.
Plus 4x.
And then you bring plus 244
Plus
this.
4 minus 244 equals to 0.
Correct.
And then 240.
Minus 240. So 2x square plus 4x minus 240 equal to 0.
Yes.
Right away, you don't go to use a formula method. Reduce this and then use the formula method.
Divide
If you
by 4. Divide by 2.
2, correct. Divide by 2. So after dividing by
Exactly.
2, what will you get? Let me tell me.
X square plus 2x minus 120 equals to 0.
Now use the formula method or whatever method you find easy and find the solution.
Hello? Yeah. So I got x equals to minus 2 plus root 966 upon 2 or minus 2 minus root 966 upon 2.
Show me the calculation. $960 4 into 120. So wait, or is that 966? What is 4 multiplied by 120? Can you recheck that? 4 into 120. 480, right?
480.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
there's a minus sign, so that minus will get plus.
So 4 plus 480.
Yes, which is 484.
And I do not know the. I guess it is 22, right?
Yeah.
484.
Yes, but you
Yeah.
have to.
So it will become.
Which method did you use to find out the square root?
Why do you have to find the square root? It's already under square root. 484.
No, but you have to find the value of the square root also. No? What is square root of 484?
22.
22. Yes. How did you find out? I'm asking that.
Because I know the square is still 30.
Okay.
How else would I find out?
Prime factor method.
Okay.
484. You find out all prime factors of 484, and then you group it, multiply.
I don't know how to do the prime factor thing, so instead I just by hearted all of them together.
Okay. We had done in
Because
coordinate geometry. Prime factor
no, but
method.
it doesn't usually go above 30, so that is why I just by hearted all the 30. So it'll be plus 2 plus minus 2 plus 22, which is minus 20. I'm sorry, 20. So 20 upon 2, which is 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are. So
10.
again, like the previous one, 10.
10.
And that one is minus, yeah, and then this one is minus 2 minus 22 upon 2, which is minus minus plus. So 22 upon 2, which is 11, but minus 11. But it cannot be negative. It's an 8. Oh no, it's not 8. Okay, fine. So 10 and minus 11.
Yes.
But okay, you have written natural number cannot be negative. Okay.
Yeah. Natural number cannot be negative. So answer is 10. So if your first even number is 10, which will be the even number after 10 then?
12.
12. Okay, I just want to see your, have you finished with the calculation part? Once you're done with the calculation, just show it to your calculation to me.
It's a mess actually.
Show me the last line. I can't see the last line. Okay, minus 2 minus 22 is how much? Minus 2 minus 22. See the book.
Minus plus.
So minus 2. So after adding what it is, 22 plus 2,
24.
24. So it becomes minus 24 upon, it's final answer is correct, but that will be minus 24 upon 2, which is minus 12. And then after that, you discard minus 12. You're muted.
But anyways, it is minus, so it doesn't matter, right?
Yes.
But it has to be right. Okay, fine.
Yeah. So
The next one. Oh, just give me one.
wait. One more line in that.
Yeah, we'll do that and then I'll go. I just have to.
Yes.
Yeah, one more line.
So if the first even number is 10, which will be the even number after 10, the next.
I wrote that. 12.
This? Okay, fine.
Yeah, I've written. I showed it to you, right?
Final answer is then 10 and 12. Okay.
Just give me 1 minute.
Yes.
Yeah.
So first two sums we did. Third one is activity.
Can we do the eighth one first because it's completely in the textbook only?
Eighth one.
Or tenth one, sorry, 10th one. Or shall we do that later? Because it looks like a very big one. So we'll do it later.
Okay.
I don't think the third one is to be done in the textbook itself. This is just telling you how to do it, right?
We have to solve it. Yes.
Yeah.
You have to
It's nothing to do with the
use.
boxes and all
Yes,
of that.
you have to use the information.
Unnecessarily going for boxes.
Yes, but the information is given in that, so we better use it. So in the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than in each column. Okay, so these are rows like this. These are rows and these will be column. So the number of trees in each row is 5 more than in each column. You have to find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of. So how many trees are there in one row and how many trees are there in one column, that you have to find out. So, and we have to use this information that is provided. Number of trees in a column is X. Okay. So if the number of trees is X, by this condition, that is information that is given, what will be the number of trees in each row? Can you think of this? What will it be?
I have not understood. In the orange garden of Mr. Madison, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees, total orange trees is 150.
Yes.
And then the number of trees in each row is 5 more than each column.
Yes.
5
That
more
means
than that in each column. That means 5 in each column,
no.
I suppose.
If in one row, suppose if one row there are 10 trees, okay, in the first row, suppose if in the first row there are 10 trees, then in the first column there will be 5 more trees compared to the first row. 5 more trees.
Okay, so 15. So 10,
15.
15, 20, 25, like that.
Yes. Yes. 5 more
So
than
find the
each
number
row.
of trees in each row. So I
So
guess x plus 5.
yes. So if the number of rows in column is in the column, if it is X, then in the row, how much will it be? 5 more, they are saying.
So x plus 5.
Yes, X plus 5. So here you will write X plus 5. X plus 5. Total number of trees. Yes, total number of trees. How will you find out total number of trees?
X plus 5. So x into x plus 5 equals to 150.
Correct.
At this moment, I'm so lost. I don't know what you're talking about. I have not understood this sum. The question only I have not understood.
Okay. This you understood X plus 5, how we got?
Partially I understood.
Okay. So what they are saying is He has a garden and total number of trees in his garden. So I'll just draw. Suppose if this is his garden, okay, this square is his garden, okay, and they're saying that the total number of trees in this garden that is given to is 130 to 130. These are the rows. These are rows. So I'll draw it with a different line, different color. So these are the rows. And these are the columns. Columns. Okay, so these red lines are rows and columns. So I'll just draw it. So trees in rows. Yeah, I'm just drawing for 3 just for you to understand. Okay, so see these are rows like this. Sleeping is called rows, and these are columns. Up to here, is it fine?
Yes.
Suppose instead of 130, suppose he has just 9 trees. Just for example, suppose he has just 9 trees. Now, how many rows are there in the column? Sorry, how many rows are there and how many columns are there? Can you count that? How many rows are there?
9.
How many rows? 9 is the total number of trees. I asked how
Okay.
many rows are there
So there are 3 rows.
and how many columns are there?
3.
3 columns. So if
Okay,
you
so you do 3 into 3 to get 9.
yes, 3 into 3 to get the total number of trees. That means multiply the number of rows into number of columns to get the total number of trees. Now let's come back to the original question. In the original question, what they are saying is the condition that is given in that question. In that question, if you see, it is said the number of trees in each row is 5 more than in each column. Okay, number of trees in each row is 5 more than number of trees in each column. So firstly, the first box here, it says number of trees in a column is X. So in a column is X. That means this, like this. There are X trees in the column. So if there are X trees in the column, there will be X plus 5 trees in the row. Have you understood this? Yes or no? Yeah.
Yeah.
So now these are X, that is, and this is X plus 5. So how many trees in the row?
X into X plus 5.
Yes.
Can you
That
give
will
me
give,
1 minute? I'll just be back in like legit one.
yeah.
Yes. So sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll go through this example once again. So in the rows, there are X trees in the rows. So this is 1, 2, X number of trees. So 1, 2, 3, and up to X. So in total, there are X number of trees in the row, or basically X rows. Okay. And then they are saying in the column, no, I'm sorry, X columns. X columns. And they are saying in the row, there are 5 more trees than the column. So if the column has X trees, then the row will have X plus 5. So there are X plus 5 trees in the row. Is this clear up to here?
Yes.
So there are X columns and X plus 5 rows. So to find the total number of trees, you multiply number of columns into number of rows. So number of columns is X, number of rows is X plus 5. So X into X plus 5 will give you total number of trees. And the total number of trees is given in the question. How much is that? 150. So X into X plus 5 is equal to 150. Now, next you have to just solve this equation. So X into X will be X square plus 5X is equal to 150. Take plus 150 on the other side. So you'll have X square plus 5X minus 150 equal to 0. So this is your quadratic equation. So here you will write X into X plus 5.
Yeah.
And then we formed a quadratic equation. And now you have to just solve this quadratic equation. So can you solve this quadratic
Okay,
equation?
now I understand. Yeah, got it. So I just have to write x plus. I just have to write what? I have to write x
Here in this
into.
box, X plus 5. In this box, X into X plus 5. And
That's
after that,
all.
here we have framed the quadratic equation here, this one. This
Yeah.
is, we have framed a quadratic equation. Now you have to solve this quadratic equation. So after this, do the solving part you.
By what
Any
formula
method,
and what?
whatever
Can I do
method
it
you want.
from the? Okay. Can I do it from that
Uh,
b square minus 4ac? I'm sorry,
Formula.
minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac. Can I do it by that?
Formula method. Yes, yes, you can do formula method.
Upon 2a. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I can do that.
Yes, yes.
Okay. 150 into 4 is equal to
600.
okay, thank you.
So
25
625.
minus yeah, 625.
Yeah. And this is easy. You can find out. You know square root of 620.
25.
Yeah.
So minus 5 plus minus
Yes. Plus minus 25
5.
upon 2.
So if you do x equals to minus 5 plus 25 upon 2, then x is equal
20
to plus minus minus, so 20 upon
on
2,
2.
so 2 on the 2, 2 times so 10.
10.
And if you do x is equal to minus 5 minus 25 upon 2, then x is equal to minus minus plus, that is
Yes.
30 upon minus 30
Minus
upon
30.
2,
Yes. Which is
which is minus 15,
correct.
which is minus 15, which is so yeah, minus 15.
So 10 and
But
minus
we are
15.
finding what? Number of trees. So
Number of trees. So can it be
therefore
negative?
number of trees equals to 10 and minus 15, but number of trees can't be negative.
So x is 10.
Therefore, x is equal to 10.
Okay. But what is
Yeah.
x? What is x? X is number of trees in the column. So if
Oh,
there are
yeah, there's
10
much
trees,
more to do.
what?
So then there's much more to do.
No, not
That's
much
all
more.
I said.
Just one step. Just one step. So if there are 10 trees in the column, how many trees will be in the row? If there are 10 trees in the column, then a row will have just 5 more than that. 5 more than 10. So how much it will be trees in rows? Are you understanding what I'm trying to ask?
Yeah,
So how many will it be?
into 5, 10 into 5.
5 more means plus. 5
So
more.
10 plus 5.
Yes, that's 15. So that
So
also you'll
x.
have to write.
So instead of all of that, can we just write x plus 5 equals to
Yeah,
10
yes,
plus 5
yes,
equals to
yes,
15?
yes. That is.
Thank God it's not minus 50. Otherwise it would be.
I'll write the final step if you want. So number of x is equal to 10 you got. Then number of trees in rows. As you have written it previously, it is x plus 5. And x you know is 10. So 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. That's it. So 10 trees in the rows, 10 trees in the row. Sorry, column. And 15 trees in the row. That's it. Okay. Done with this. Should I move on to the next?
I'm done with writing all of this already. Sorry.
Okay.
This word problems are not that exciting. Word problems are really boring actually. Like the normal sums are at least easier because it's a direct question, you know.
Yes.
Here you have to frame the question and then answer it.
Yes. Word problem is kind of more time consuming all the time. Okay, but we have no choice. We have to anyways do it. So let's
The
do the
school
fourth
also
one.
did all of them. Like this time, they did all. Like they didn't
Okay.
even skip any which was skipped by the board, if any.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so in this one, Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Means he's elder. There are two brothers, and Vivek is the elder brother, and he's elder by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocal of their ages is 1 upon 6. Okay, sum means addition, and reciprocal, I hope you know, you just interchange numerator and denominator. So the sum of the reciprocal of their ages is 1 upon 6. You have to find their present age. You have to find both of their present age. So let's start with the solution. So we'll say, since Kishore is a younger one, we'll say let Kishore's age be, let the present age of Kishore be X. Okay, let the present age of Kishore be X. Okay. So if Kishore's age is X, what will be age of Vivek? Kishore's age is X. Vivek is older than Kishore by how many years? By 5 years. So what will be Vivek's present age?
X plus 5, like always.
X plus 5. So X plus 5 years. Okay. So
How
we
could
know.
it be X plus 5 years?
Yes.
Just X plus 5.
Years. Anyways, X is a
Okay, fine,
variable which
whatever.
we have to find out.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
So Kishore's age is X and Vivek's age is X plus 5. Now they have said that the sum plus 5. Now it is said that the sum, this condition C, the sum of the reciprocal of their ages. Okay, sum of reciprocal. So first what you do is you take the reciprocal of their ages. What will be reciprocal of X? What is reciprocal of X? Reciprocal, not just interchange it. What is reciprocal of X? Are you there?
1 upon X? Yeah,
Yes.
I'm there.
And what is reciprocal of X plus 5?
1 upon X plus 5?
Yes, 1 upon X plus 5. Now they have said that the sum of these reciprocals, sum means you have
What
to
if we
add it.
don't want to make it into fractions?
No, there's no option. We have to work with fractions because the question only demands that.
Yeah.
So it is said now the sum of these reciprocals, so you add them. 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay, this is given in the question. The sum of the reciprocal of the age is 1 upon 6. Now we have to work with these fractions. We have to form the quadratic equation with the help of these fractions. So first we'll work on the left hand side. Since there is a plus sign, we'll do cross multiplication and you have to multiply the denominator also. So let's do cross multiplication. So 1 into X plus 5 will be X plus 5 plus 1 into X will be X divided by X into X plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Did you understand this? Do you understand this?
Hello.
Yes. Did you understand this?
Yes, and now we cross multiply.
Yes.
If I'm
First
not wrong.
first we'll just solve this
Is there
here.
some simpler and faster way of doing this? Because this is getting too complicated.
No,
It's
actually
getting
this is the only way. So x into x, this
Let's
x
do it
and x,
fast. Let's just do it fast.
this x and x we can add it. So it will become 2x
2x plus
plus
5
5,
upon x square. So you can say x square. So plus 5 equals to 1 upon
5x
6.
is equal to
5x.
1 upon 6. Now here you do cross multiplication. Since there is an
Yeah, so
equal to
x square
sign,
plus 5x equals to 2. So 6 2s are 12 plus 6 5s are 30. So what do you? Okay,
x
yeah.
square plus 5x. Now bring all these terms, take on the other side, both these terms. So here you'll have 0. So x square plus 5x minus 12x minus
Oh.
30. Okay.
So x square 11 11 sorry 5, right? It's 5.
I'm so sorry. Uh,
7,
7x
7x
minus 30
minus
minus
30.
30.
Okay, so now we got this quadratic equation, x
can
square
we just
minus
reframe it and
7x
put yeah.
minus 30 is equal to 0, which you can solve by any method. So since you want to solve it by formula method, we'll do by formula method. So A is 1, B is minus 7, C is minus 30. So formula is minus B plus minus under root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Substitute the values. So this will be minus, B is minus 7. So minus of minus 7 plus minus under root of B square, that is minus 7 square, minus 4 into A is 1, C is minus 30 divided by 2 into A, that is 1. So minus into minus plus, so this becomes plus 7 plus minus under root of minus 7 square is 49, and this minus into minus is plus, and 4 into 30 is 120 divided by 2. Is it clear up to here? Yes or no? (49) plus 120 is 169 divided by 2. And you know what is square root of 169? Yes.
Sorry, voice is breaking. Can you repeat?
What is square root of 169?
13.
30. So this becomes 7 plus minus 13 upon 2. So either 7 plus 13 upon 2 or 7 minus 13 upon 2.
Wow,
So
this is the first time we don't have a minus at the front.
So 720 upon 2 or minus 6 upon 2. So this will be 10
10.
or
And this will be
minus 3. But this is
3. But it
negative
cannot be
number.
minus.
Age cannot be negative.
So
So
it'll
discard
become
it.
10.
X is 10. So what is X? X is Kishore's present age. So if Kishore's present age is X, what will be the age of his elder brother? Elder brother is 5 years bigger to him. So if his age is 10, his older brother's age will be 10 plus 5, that is 15. So elder brother is 15 years old, younger brother is 10 years old. Is this clear?
Yes. Now I have to
Okay.
write all of that down. Can
Yeah.
you just make it the smallest as possible?
I think it may get blurred.
No, I can zoom it because here I have an option of zooming the presenter screen.
Okay, so this is, yeah, this is the entire thing, I think. 1 second. Can you see? I hope it's clear. If it's blurred, let me know. I'll zoom in.
Now you give me some 2 minutes to write all of this down.
It's visible, right? Clearly?
Visible. You can hear me?
Yes.
Yep, all done. Oof.
Okay. Fifth one.
How many are left? 5, 6,
5,
7,
6,
8, 9, 10.
7, 8, 9, 10.
And the problem set ones also.
Problem set
Oh,
ones we'll see.
God.
We'll do it later.
So is it okay if we don't do the problem set ones? I'm already bored.
Yeah, it is okay. Or easier ones we can do, and the difficult ones we can skip.
Okay. And by the way, I have a class at 5. Today is a Thursday, yeah, so I have it at
Yeah.
5. So
Okay.
just
So I will explain you this thing, and you solve it for homework. Okay. So it said Suyash scored 10 marks more in second test than in first test. 5 times the score of the second test is same as the square of the score in the first test. You have to find the score in the first test. Okay, understand the question first. So there are two tests, test 1 or first test and second test. Okay, there are two tests. Now, Suyash, he scored 10 marks more in the second test as compared to the first one. That means in the first one, if he scored, suppose 5 marks, then in the second one, he scored 10 more than 5. So 10 more than 5 will be 15. Did you understand this and then this thing, condition? Yes?
yes.
Okay. So what we'll do is, what we have to find out his score in the first test. So you take that to be X. So let the score in the first test be X. Okay, so let his score in the first test be X. So what will be his score in the second test then as per the first condition?
10 marks more than that, so x plus 10.
Yes, correct. So score in second test will be equal to X plus 10. Okay. Next one condition is given. 5. So first test score is X. Second test score is X plus 10. Now see, read this condition. 5 times the score of the second test is same as square of the score in the first test. Okay. 5 times means 5 multiplied by the marks in the second test. That means 5 into X plus 10. So 5 times the score means 5 into score of the second test is equal to square of the score in the first test. So in the first test, what score he got, you take the square of it. So what will this be equal to? Yes? What is the square of the score in the first test? Take the square of it. Are you saying something? If you're saying something, I can't hear you. Are you there?
Your voice is breaking a lot. So I could barely hear anything and I was waiting for you to stop so I can talk.
Can you tell me what you said from you wrote score in second test?
Okay, so
You wrote
score
x
in
plus 10.
yes, score in the second test is x plus 10. Actually, can you make your camera on? Actually, I can't make out anything if you're understanding, not understanding, if you even if you can hear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So score in the second test is x plus 10. Now the condition here is given 5 times the score of the second test is same as the square of the score in the first test.
So
Okay.
x square.
Yes. So this will be x square. So 5 times the score in the second test is equal to x. Now this you just have to rearrange and solve it. Multiply the 5 inside. So this will become 5x plus 5 into 10, 50 is equal to x square. Take this plus 5x and plus 50 on the other side. So this will become x square minus 5x minus 50. So the quadratic equation here is x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Did you understand this up to here? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, write it down and solve this quadratic equation for homework. Use a formula method, factorization method, whatever you want. Whichever method you find easy. I hope this equation how we got is that is clear.
Yes.
Because that's the main thing. After that, it is just solving.
Can you hear me? Because my Wi-Fi is really low. So I will have to go and check for the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, so I'll just go and check.
It's okay, we are stopping anyway.
Again, if... Oh, okay. But just if you cannot hear me or see me, then just tell me.
Yeah, I can't see you now.
My video is on. I'm waving at you. Can you see me?
No, I can't see you. The video is off actually. Maybe it's because of your internet connection. I think so many days you're having internet connection. You haven't done it. Yeah, I can see you now. Yeah, I can see you now. But you're
You can see me
muted.
waving?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'm done right.
Done? Okay, so do this for homework. We will stop here. You also have a class immediately. So this we'll do next time. I want you to try the 7th. No, not 7th. I want you to try the 9th sum. Okay, 9th sum I want you to try. So you just try the 9th one. The rest all is, they are very difficult and very lengthy sums. So we can skip those. But 9th one is easy. So I want you to do the 9th one. And in the next class, we'll discuss the 10th one. That's the activity one we'll do. Okay? And from problem set, let me see which is doable. Did you do the 9th sum of problem set?
For homework, I didn't do the 8th one. How am I going to do the 9th one?
Okay.
I told you, right? Exercise 8 from the problem set, not done. I had messaged.
No, okay. I did not see it. No? I'll check your homework today.
Okay. So I have to do only the one sum.
1 minute. I'll just see anything here.
Because today in school we did the 9th and the 10th one.
Of practice set or problem set?
Problem.
Problem
We're
set.
finished with the chapter. Finished with the chapter. Only problem set is left. No?
Okay, 9th and 10th. That is these two.
Yeah, and then the 11th one they said that they'll do tomorrow. Every day they only are able to do two because they only have 45 minutes. So, and 45 minutes they're only able to do two. So they just do two. Every day they
Okay.
just do two.
Okay. So you just do the 9th one.
Yeah,
Okay, you just
okay.
try the
Okay.
9th one
Yeah.
and we'll see. Also we'll stop here. Also tomorrow I may not take at 3, but I'll message you. If I'm not taking, I'll
Then if you
message you.
not take it at 3, then what time you'll take it?
I'll message you before at 2 o'clock. 2
So
o'clock
you'll
I'll
not take
message
it
you.
at all or you'll take it at 4 to 5?
Either one of the things. Either one.
Okay.
Either I'll take
Okay.
3 to 5, or either I'll take 4 to 5, or either I may cancel it. Either one of the things. But I'll let you know
Okay,
at 2
fine.
o'clock. At 2 o'clock I'll
Okay.
message you. Okay? You
Fine.
don't have anything
Fine.
else? Do you have anything else?
Tomorrow I have a school and then I have a class at 7. So anything
7.
before
Okay.
7.
Okay. So I'll let you know by 2. I'll message and let you know what it is. Okay?
Okay.
So see you
Yeah.
then. Yeah. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.